What's up, guys? Kyle with Pro One Garage Doors here. We have a LiftMaster. It's an old half horsepower AC motor from 2003. We're going to compare it with the new 2220L LiftMaster contractor unit. Here's our microphone setup. We have a decibel meter here hooked to a Rode Video Mic NTG shotgun microphone, and you can see it is pointed up at the unit. Here, this is an 8-foot door, so the motor is approximately 8 foot in front of us. So here we go. There's our decibel meter. Max at 71 decibels. All right, here we go. We just installed the new motor. Here's our decibel meter. And you can see last time we had a peak level of 71 decibels with an average decibel level of 65.2. We'll start with the trolley in the up position, just like last time. And here we go. Okay, here's our results. Average 55.1 with a max of 63.2. So it is definitely lower than before. Max at 71 decibels. So nice job, LiftMaster, on putting the DC motor up. This is installed by Pro One Garage Doors, of course. This is a LiftMaster 2220L with a garage door specific light bulb that we put in for it. And this is a good contractor unit. It's chain drive. It's a good unit for just looking to get the basics, picking the door up and putting it down. Obviously, you've got wall station here, and it's a good unit. This is Kyle with Pro One Garage Doors. Please like, share, comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the next one.